I'm a big fan of Asus. You can see I've already a few here on my desk. So when the Zenfone 6 came out with the interesting camera and a massive battery, I was very interested. And then they said, oh, in the very shouty press conference, we have edition 30, which has crazy amounts of memory, 12 gigs plus 512 gigs. I thought I'd like one of those. So I wrote to my friends in Asus Belgium, who said, nah, we're not getting those. But then, while I was just looking at the website on the shop, it suddenly appeared one day. So, here we go. Time to unbox it. Asus Zenfone 6, edition 30. Now I know for unboxing you need a cool knife, so I've got a cool knife. And let's have a look what's going on in the box. And if it's like a chocolate, then that would be embarrassing. But if it's what it's supposed to be, then I'll be cheering. Well, I don't skimp on the bubble wrap, that's for sure. Ah, paper with secret information. And Jove, I do declare. Zenfone edition 30. Let's get inside. They certainly never skimp on the packaging, which is slightly offensive these days and age, but still. I've had a number of ZenBook laptops. They're always beautifully packaged. This seems to be right up there. All the specs on the back. ZS630KL, 6.4 inch. And 12 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, LTE dual SIM. Let's get inside. Well, that's not. Already has the interesting Starfleet looking A on the box. Oh, that's what they call PU leather. So, not leather, polyurethane. Polyurethane. Right, smell it. Polyurethane for sure. What about those VOCs? Again, logoed up. Asus edition 30. Oh, my little card fell out of the box. It's got stuck. This is my Zenfone 6. 30 years of Asus. Zenfone 6 edition 30. Keep this with you at all times, people. Dear Asus customer, thank you for purchasing this limited edition 30th anniversary product. It's my pleasure. I have zillions of your products. Literally. Well, not literally, but I have many. And what's in here? Okay, this is a phone. And it's quite weighty, which is only to be expected, because it does have a massive battery, and a little box of, looks like 2 chocolates. I think those are some headphones, in-ear monitors, and cable and charging block, and oh, a blanker. Disappointing. Oh, and you can take the plastic out so you can keep the awesome box. Nice. Let's move you to the back, my friend. Okay, what have we got in here now? Let's start with the easy ones. Okay. Who thought white headphones were a good idea? Seriously, guys? Minus points. Back in the box you go. Oh, we got the right theme going. Okay, I'll live with it. I have enough black chargers. USB-C cable. Ah, nice feel. Power block. What are we looking at here? 5 volts, 2 amps, 9 volts, 2 amps. Fast charge. Okay. Into the box. Sim removing, tiny sim removing lollipop. All the specs, keep that handy. A Bible. Goodness me. If anybody wants to read that, go ahead. It's actually in probably 20 different languages. Warranty information. I like that. I think we have a 30-month warranty. A 30-year warranty would be better. And a slightly dodgy. I think that's the same case, bumper case, as they have for the normal Zenfone 6. So let's take this fella out now. Oh, the pleasure of the rip. Nice. Matte black. Fingerprint detector. Flip cam. Logo. That's a good hefty feel. Doesn't feel so much bigger than my current phone, though I know it is. Speaking of, let's see, this is, here we go, this is my Zenfone 6. Let me go back in time a bit. My StarTAC. A long time ago. My Nokia. What was that? 3130 I think. My first. I had a couple of work Blackberries. My HTC One. My Galaxy Alpha. My current Sony Xperia XVS, but not moved to the Xperia 1 because of the battery issue. Every one of these phones, except the Nokia, which is probably still charged up. Let's have a look. It is still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars, and I swear I did not charge that. Mental. Insert SIM card. I've had battery issues, and that's what made me want the Zenfone 6. That and the camera. I don't use a selfie cam, so I don't need a selfie cam. So I don't need a notch or a teardrop or whatever. There is a selfie cam, but it's just the normal cam. Let's clear this shop. That's size-wise, yeah, they got bigger and bigger, but it's not that much bigger. Honestly, about the same width with the case. But screen-wise, massively bigger. Of course, it's not going to be charged up. Let's give it some juice. So, we'll So I gave it 20 minutes. See what we got in it. I'm sure it's got something. Hey, look, 77%. That was quick. So it is in this incredible matte black, which you can't see, of course, because I have a black thing here. Look at all those crumbs. So, backlight shines, it makes it shine, but you know, look at that. It's so much less shiny than your average. Let's try and power up, see what we got. Power Android Asus. Now, I've had a lot of Asus tablets and things in the past. I've always been a little bit annoyed by all the add-ons that Asus has, but what I hear is that, hey, benvenuto, I guess this was going to be one of those Italian models. I hear this version of Android is very clean. Let's see what's going on. Can't catch us a network. Well, that was quick. And boom. Just completing the setup. The new Google system for transferring from one phone to another seems pretty impressive. Let's see when we're finished in a few minutes if everything's there and accounted for. Well, there's not much else to say. Connects to everything like a dream, fast. Inception. Inception. Phone inception. Whoa. Screen quality is great. Speed is amazing. You just jump into multiple apps. Yeah. It's always good news. Need to sort my apps, move things around, add the things I didn't add because I didn't have space. Definitely less ships around Crinum. That thing we've all been waiting for. Boom. What up?